Methods of decontamination of radioactively contaminated buildings. First of all, what is decontamination? In our case, it is a process used to reduce radiological contamination to reduce the risk of exposure, and usually it is defined as the removal of contaminants from surfaces. There are two groups of decontamination methods, mechanical and chemical. Let's start from mechanical methods. Mechanical decontamination techniques are physical methods that are based on different mechanical forces to release radionuclides through mechanical agitation or physical removal. And the first method is debris removal. This is easy to understand. With debris removal, radionuclides lying on debris are also removed, which reduces surrounding radiation and also eliminates the possibility of producing soluble radioactive species that will be more difficult to remove due to chemical bonding to charged surfaces or penetration into pores with the building materials. Then surface scarification. In surface scarification, different devices are used to cut outer layers of radioactively contaminated walls or floors, leaving behind an uncontaminated but scarred surface that may need to be resurfaced. High-pressure liquid jetting. It is a process in which water or liquid nitrogen are pumped through a rotary nozzle at high pressure. To increase the decontamination effectiveness, chemical additives can be used. The drawback of the method is the large volume of liquid waste. Spent wash water may need to be collected and treated prior to release into the environment. According to research, the most efficient was jetting at a 45 degrees angle. Surface blasting. Surface blasting uses devices in which abrasive material is carried by a stream of pressurized air or water to remove radioactive contaminants from surfaces. Abrasives used include grit, steel shot, glass beads, nutshells, sodium bicarbonate, and carbon dioxide or dry ice pellets. Surface blasting can be destructive or non-destructive depending upon the abrasive material used and the force of the blasting stream. During the process, exhaust hoses connected to air filters are used to collect generated dust and abrasives containing radionuclides. And chemical methods. Chemical methods are mainly based on reactions such as dissolution, oxidation, complexation, and others to remove contaminants from the surface. And first method is reagent washing. As the name suggests, it is washing of surfaces with some reagent. Typical reagents used in decontamination solutions include water along or with soap, detergents and surfactants, acids, chelators, redox agents, foams and gels, and hybrid and proprietary solutions. Usage of foams and gels can be classified as separate decontamination methods. Foams and gels are used as carrier media for other decontamination agents. They have little decontamination ability by themselves, but can enhance other agents' efficiency by sticking to a surface and providing longer contact times. The next method is foam decontamination. Foam decontamination is achieved by spraying the detergents and wetting agents with hydrophilic or hydrophobic groups with a high pressure. The foam, as a carrier for chemical decontamination agents, is formed on the object surface and after decontamination collapses and drains away. It produces low-volume secondary waste. Chemical gels. The gels are commonly prepared by dispersing thickening agents such as silica or alumina particles in solution, forming a gel-like suspension. The gels crack after drying, forming non-dust flakes, where the contaminants are trapped and are easily removed by brushing or vacuum cleaning. Strippable coatings. Strippable coatings are chemical extractants that are applied as a liquid and then transformed into a flexible solid layer that can be easily peeled away. They can potentially remove contaminants that have penetrated into porous materials such as concrete or brick. They generate no waste besides the coating itself. That's all. Thank you for watching.